Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off auto data sync in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To turn our auto data sync off in our phone, we have to go to the settings. Then we're looking for accounts and backup. And at the top we have manage accounts. We need to go here, and here we have our auto sync data. To turn it off, we simply need to tap this little checkbox here, and auto sync data is now turned off. This will help our phone to live a little bit longer. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.